Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to make the Gboard keyboard letters bigger on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Google or Android might change the steps for doing all this in the future. If the options appear different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Most of the Android phones use Gboard keyboard and sometimes it might look a bit smaller. Sometimes it might look a bit smaller than this. It will be difficult to see the letters and type properly. If you are stuck in a similar situation, this might help. First, we can try to resize it. To do this, we can go to any Gboard keyboard typing area. Then long press this square icon. Here we have to go to this resize option and we can resize the keyboard accordingly. Now it will be a bit bigger, that's all. And second, we can increase the font size. To do this, we can go to the settings gear icon and here we have to go to preferences. Then we have to go to font size and here we can increase the font size. We can make it as big as we want. Then if we go back, it will be bigger. As you can see, the letters and numbers are bigger in size. That's all. These are the steps to make the Gboard keyboard letters bigger on Android phone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comments section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.